Hello everyone and welcome to Relaxing English with Panet. Today, we will focus on understanding articles, a, an, the, and zero article. In this session, we'll explore how to use articles correctly in English, followed by exercises and an answer key to test your understanding. Let's get started. Articles are small but powerful words that define whether a noun is specific or unspecific. There are three types of articles in English: the definite article the indefinite articles a and an, and the zero article, which means no article is used. Let's break these down one by one. Let's start with the indefinite articles, a and an. These are used to refer to general, non-specific nouns. Use a before words that begin with a consonant sound like a book or a university. Use an before words that begin with a vowel sound like an apple or an hour. Remember, it's about the sound, not the letter. For example, we say an hour because hour starts with a silent H and sounds like hour. Next, we have the definite article the. This is used for specific or unique nouns. For example, we say the sun because there's only one sun. We also use the when the noun is already known to the listener or reader. For instance, if I say, I saw a cat, the cat was black, the second sentence uses the because we already know which cat I'm talking about. Now, move on to the next point. Sometimes no article is needed. This is called the zero article. We use it for general ideas, plural or uncountable nouns, and proper nouns. For example, we say, love is beautiful because we're talking about love in general. Similarly, we say, cats are cute because we're referring to all cats, not a specific one. Proper nouns, like names of people or places, also don't need an article. For example, Paris is beautiful, or Maria is my friend. All right. Now, let's quickly recap the rules. Use a or an for general, non-specific singular nouns. Use the for specific, unique, or previously mentioned nouns. And use no article, the zero article, for general ideas, plural or uncountable nouns, and proper nouns. Keep these rules in mind as we move to the exercises. Now it's time to practice. Here's exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with a, an, they, or no article. Pause the video if you need time to think. Let's go through the sentences. 1. I saw owl in the tree last night. 2. She wants to be astronaut when she grows up. 3. Sun rises in the east. 4. They went to school without umbrella. 5. He loves playing guitar. Take your time and we'll go over the answers shortly. Great job! Now let's move to exercise 2. Here, you'll correct the errors in the following sentences. Look for mistakes in the use of articles. Pause the video if needed. Here are the sentences. 1. She is an honest person. 2. I need the pen to write the letter. 3. They traveled to United States last summer. 4. He is best teacher in the school. 5. Can you pass me salt, please? Take your time, and we'll check the answers next. Let's check your answers for exercise 1. Here's the correct version. 1. I saw an owl in the tree last night. In this sentence, we use an to specify one thing that is first mentioned and not specific. 2. She wants to be an astronaut when she grows up. In this sentence, we an in front of a job description. Here, the sun rises in the east. In this sentence, we the here to talk about there is only one thing. 4. They went to school without an umbrella. In this sentence, we don't use article with the word school because school here refers to general place. For an, we show the first mention with quantity one thing. 5. He loves playing the guitar. In this sentence, we use the before the musical instrument. How did you do? Let's move to the next exercise. Now let's review exercise 2. Here are the corrected sentences. 1. She is an honest person. 2. I need a pen to write a letter. 3. They traveled to the United States last summer. 4. He is the best teacher in the school. 5. Can you pass me the salt, please? Great work! If you made any mistakes, don't worry. Articles can be tricky, but practice will help you improve. Let's recap what we've learned. Use a or an for general singular nouns. Use the for specific or unique nouns. And use no article for general ideas, plural or uncountable nouns, and proper nouns. One more thing. You can take a look at these summary charts on how to use a and the and zero article. We use an when we mention something for the first time and talk about people's jobs or to say what kind of person or thing somebody is. Unlike an, we use the when we mention something for the second time, and we use the to talk about specific things or people when it's clear which things or people we are talking about. We use the when there's only one of something. Also, we use the with places in a town where we commonly go, the park, the cinema, the doctor, etc. We use the before the United States, the United Kingdom. We use the before superlative adjectives. We use the before names of musical instruments. However, we don't use article before plural or uncountable nouns to talk about something in general and before the names of meals, breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or before names of years, months, and days of the week. Furthermore, we do not use an article with TV when used as a broadcasting service, not as an appliance. And make sure you don't use an article before the names of languages and school subjects. Last, we do not use an article before next and last plus time expression when they mean before or after now. The important thing to remember is that the key to mastering articles is practice. Keep working on it, and you'll get better. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using articles like a pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel. Goodbye and see you next video.